down. You can move around. If you have any questions, please ask. If you'd like a photo as well, just open your camera. I'll point out stuff for you so you don't miss anything. But one last thing, if anyone is afraid of heights, so I'm sorry, it's too late now. Keep your eyes to the front. Keep your eyes to the front.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
So that's Mount Sorcerer, you can see it right out in the middle of the valley, everybody. That big mountain. On the right hand side of the cabway, all the sandstone cliff that protects the rainforest below. So you might notice we're in the shade now. The sun is behind those cliff faces. So if you look directly down, you have the rainforest below us and the railway platform down the left hand side. So eventually you're going to do a bit of a walk in the rainforest and then walk to the train. Go up the railway back up the side. The most important thing at the left, everybody, the three sisters. They're not shy today, take plenty of photos. So hiding on the tree. Yeah, the other day was a white out and he had a couple of top down. We can see from the bottom, they're all sitting at the top waiting for it to leave. I said, come from the bottom, you might be lucky. Yeah, we can see it from the bottom. Yeah, out the top of the mist was really weird. Yesterday was nice. We were up on the table and stuff, but it's not it was just a chocolate block clouds. Oh, it was the same. I would love to be there. Yeah, yesterday I was driving the Sky in the morning and it was like watching the ocean because the mist would go out and then the mist would come back in again. I mean, when we turned up here, we couldn't do the skyway to drop off and it was just a cloud in the mist, like the cables on the mist. Swing them like we go around, we do this, come back and it was like this. What about you jump in there and you give me the camera, I'll take a photo for you.